for the right vehicle? Check out the 2014 Ram 2500. Ram 2500 is the 2010 Truck of the Year winner. It's the hardest working truck in tow business. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, front and rear floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, power windows, tachometer, Sirius satellite radio, remote keyless entry, brake assist, tilt steering wheel, rear view camera, speed control, four-piece floor mat set, low tire pressure warning, radio data system. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.